Hey everyone, today we are diving deep into the heart of Photoshop as we explore the fundamental building blocks of any design layer. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, this tutorial will cover everything you need to know about working with the layers in Photoshop. So let's get started. First thing first, what exactly are layers? We will, think of them as transparent sheet stacked on top of each other, allowing you to create and organize different elements of your design independently. Okay, to create a new layer, simply click on the new layer icon and at the bottom of the layer panel, or you can just click over like the Control C plus N for the Windows and for the Mac command plus C plus N for the Mac. Okay, so here we have now the new layer. Now that we know how to create a layer, let's talk about different layer types. In Photoshop, you will encounter various types such as text layer, shapes layer, adjustment layer, and more. So let's start with the text layer, and if I just use the text tools right here and now here, we can now see it comes over with the text layer. So we can just use this one, and this type of serves a specific purpose and understanding when and how to use them and significantly enhance your design workflow. Okay, so here we have now the three layers, and there and organizing is the key when working with the layers in Photoshop. Operate various tools to help you to keep your project neat and tidy. Okay, so like if I want to increase this or import or our image into this layer, then go to here and like I can just say I will use the place update. So choose one of the pictures from here and each of okay. So here we have now the layers in this under the text. So if I want to take and the top, like when I use this one, now you can see it goes in front of the text layer. Okay, so this way you can easily increase it and learn how to group layers and use layer folders to maintain as well as organized structure. Like you can just group it like the pictures layers, and from this layer by selecting here, by selecting both layer, you can just use here to create group, so it will come over like into the groups, and this can save your a lot of time and the frustration, especially in a complex project. So when you're working on a complex project, now let's spice thing up with the layer style. So these are set of effect that can be applied to layers, adding depth and visual appealing to your design, and you can do like by using here like the drop shadows or different one by clicking over here, and you can see there's a drop shadows or inner glow, bevel, embosses, strokes, and several options you can use and explore with these options, and explore the different layer styles available and see how they can elevate your design. And you can get this one by using the blending modes, and here you have the layer styles and different one. You can work with this one, and you can also use the different settings, and you can play around with these settings. So, and also blending modes are another powerful feature that can completely transform the way layers interact with each other. It's like mixing colors on a canvas but a digital space. Okay, so and there you have it, a comprehensive guide to working with the layers in Photoshop. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it boosts your confidence in navigating the interact world of Photoshop layer. So thank you for watching.